Imagine waking up one day looking in the mirror and hating the version of yourself staring back. This was the life of David Goggins, overweight, depressed, stuck in a dead-end job, watching his future slip away, until one day he said to himself, either I change my life now or I stay like this forever. In just 3 months, he lost over 100 pounds. He joined the US Navy SEALs' infamous Hell Week training, failed twice, but came back a third time and passed. He went on to become an ultra-marathon runner, break records, and inspire millions around the world. David Goggins disappeared from the world for a while and came back completely unrecognizable. And today, I'll show you how to do the exact same thing, how to disappear from the noise, rebuild yourself from scratch, and come back shocking everyone who thought they knew you. These are the 10 rules to completely transform your life. Disappear and come back. Unrecognizable. 10 rules to change your life. Before we begin, tell me in the comments, if you disappeared today and came back in 90 days, what's the first thing you'd want to change about yourself? Step 1. Silence is power. From this moment on, keep your plans to yourself. Don't tell anyone what you're about to do. Every time you talk about your goals, you lose some of the energy you could have used to achieve them. Keep your plans secret and let your results do the talking. It might feel hard at first, but trust me, mystery will become your strongest ally. Step 2. Reprogram your mind. Your subconscious mind is the true driver of your life, making 95% of your decisions without you even realizing it, which means your current life is simply a reflection of its programming. It's time to rewrite that code. Write down every fear, every limiting belief, every thought that's been holding you back. Then replace them with new beliefs. I deserve success. I can change. I can learn. Imagine the moment you see those old beliefs written down and you rip them apart or replace them with powerful statements. It feels like breaking chains you've carried for years. But changing your thoughts isn't enough. You need to retrain your entire mind. Step 3. Train your brain to focus. Cut out everything that's stealing your attention. Endless scrolling, video games, binge-watching shows. Replace them with activities that build you, like reading, learning, exercise. Your brain will resist at first, but eventually your focus will become razor sharp and you'll feel energy you didn't know you had. And once your mind becomes clear, you'll be ready to build the foundation for your new life. Step 4. Non-negotiable habits. Create a strict daily routine and stick to it no matter what. Daily exercise, meditation or deep breathing, writing down your goals, regular sleep, no excuses even if it's raining, even if you're tired, even if you had the worst day of your life, stick to it. These moments are what turn you into a true warrior. And now it's time to put yourself to the ultimate test. Step 5. A challenge that proves your commitment. Choose a challenge that forces you to stay committed. A race, a weight loss target, launching a project. Pick something you can't fake. These challenges will be your lifeline on the days you feel like quitting. But even with challenges, transformation won't happen unless you increase your value. Step 6. Build skills, build your value. Isolation is not a vacation, it's a construction site. Learn a new skill that creates a new income stream. Money isn't just luxury, it's fuel. It gives you freedom to build the life you want without fear or hesitation. Imagine the freedom you'll feel when you realize your income no longer depends on luck, but on a skill you own. And once your financial life is stable, it's time to stabilize your thoughts and emotions. Step 7, daily gratitude. Every night before sleeping or every morning when you wake up, write down 3 things you're grateful for. This simple habit rewires your brain to see beauty even on the hardest days. Over time, your positive energy will double and opportunities will start finding you. And now, let's take it one step deeper, the point where dreams start turning into reality. Step 8, visualization and affirmations. Close your eyes. Imagine your future body, your goals achieved, yourself speaking with confidence, earning money, traveling where you want. Repeat this vision daily and let it carve itself into your mind. You'll feel goosebumps when you start truly believing what you're saying. That's the moment everything changes. But all of this will remain weak if you don't learn to express yourself with confidence. Step 9, master your communication. The more organized your speech, the more organized your life becomes. Practice speaking with confidence and clarity. Learn to write your thoughts clearly. This isn't just about better relationships, it's about cleaning up the chaos inside your own mind. And finally comes the part that will test your real strength. Step 10, pain is part of the process. You will get tired, you will fail sometimes, you will feel invisible, and that's perfect, because this is where champions are made. Pain is not your enemy, it's the fire that forges the new you. Embrace it and keep moving. Every time you rise after falling, you're writing a new line in your comeback story. The moment of return. Now imagine yourself after 90 days. You're standing in front of the mirror, smiling. Your face looks different. Your mind is sharper. Your heart is full of confidence. People around you are shocked, but you know this didn't happen by chance. You built this with your own hands. This is your chance to write your own comeback story. Don't wait for permission. Don't wait for the perfect time. The perfect time is now. Tell me in the comments, what's the first step you'll take today? If you're truly ready to start this journey, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel so you don't miss a single step of this challenge. And most importantly, don't stop. Don't look back. Come back in 90 days and tell us how you became the new version of yourself. The world is waiting for your return.